Okay, this is day 5. I just got my shower a little bit ago, and last night I had pretty rough again, and then earlier on in the morning time, I was finally able to uh, get some sleep. Swelling's still up on me. My voice is still messed up. I can't believe I'm still this bad after 5 days now. Well, starting 5 days now. But my ears are still hurting. Not quite as bad today, but they're still hurting. I'm hearing a humming sound down my ears, though. Um, my taste is starting to return, and my smell's starting to return, which is bad because all that cauterizing that they did, I now taste it and I can smell it. It's nasty. So, I'll give you more of an update later. So, have a good day. So, my wife was actually feeling sorry for me. So, she ran me uptown. And so here I am. I got my little Happy Meal. And I got a Scooby-Doo toy in here. So I guess later, when we get back home with my Happy Meal, that I could eat or play with my Scooby-Doo toy. Hey everybody, this is day 5. This is my nightly update. I can speak a little bit better, but I can tell you that my jaw is in a lot of pain right now. But I will tell you, for the most part today, has not been bad. Uh, in the morning time, I was able to get a little bit of rest. And then this afternoon, me and my wife went down and she got me a Happy Meal at McDonald's. And anyways, though, the main thing that I've been having problems with today is drainage again. And it feels like my jawbones. I mean, just like right in here where it kind of hinges. Oh my God, they're just like, they feel so painful today. Um, but like I said, for the most part, it really hasn't been that bad. Um, I did get a little bit sick earlier today. I haven't had that much of a problem with the fevers today. But I think everything is starting to get a little bit better. I'm hoping tonight that I'm able to get a full night's rest, which I have not had at all. I'm hoping tomorrow my voice straightens out so I don't sound like this. I'm not sure if I give an update on this morning, but I have lost a total of 9 pounds so far. So that's where I am with my weight. That cheeseburger, I have ate a little bit more today, but the cheeseburger, it took me at least a good half an hour or so to eat that because I had to take a fork and chop it up into like really super tiny pieces. So it wasn't anything that I was able to actually grab the cheeseburger and, you know, eat it. Um, French fries, I tried them. I was able to do 3 French fries, but then it just hurt too entirely bad. But I will tell you, after eating the cheeseburger, I paid really bad. My throat was absolutely torn up sore. So it might have been a little bit too much. Anyways, I'll give another update video in the morning. If you all would, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're watching this, I hope you've watched my other videos. And if this is a surgery that you're planning on having done yourself, that's why I've did these daily videos, is so you can actually see what you're looking at before you have it done. Because I really can't find anything at all. So, anyways, you all have a good night, and I'll catch you in the morning.